Every flower is more than a subject to copy. It is an invitation to pay attention. By observing nature with curiosity and painting freely, without the pressure of realism, we begin to discover our own visual language. Color becomes feeling, line becomes movement, and every brushstroke becomes an act of awareness. Painting, then, is not only about creating images, it is also a practice of presence and a way of deepening our relationship with the natural world.